As I don't have the time, the energy, or the inclination to do a Marie Kondo, dump everything out of my closet, and start over by only putting back things that I love and whatever make my life fulfilled, I am going to take 2 seconds after clearing out the bedroom chair that's always covered in laundry that needs to be hung back up. Come on, you know you have this spot somewhere in your house. Whatever. I did get all of that and put that back in. So all my clothes are here. All I'm going to do is take 2 minutes and take out the things that I hate. A couple of things that I'm not sure I ever bought, that I actively hate wearing. This is so scratchy, and it's not me. I don't wear sequins, and I'm gonna get rid of them. I'm Lily Karas, and this is The Fearless Designer. Okay, let's see. Pairs of jeans that are so overloved and worn that I have paint from multiple projects on them, and that are so worn out in all the important spots that it is just begging for the kind of embarrassing fashion emergency that you'll probably spend the rest of your life having bad dreams about. Also, I realized that I have so many pairs of quote-unquote painting clothes that you would think that I actually paint for a living, but I don't. I think 1 pair of painting clothes is probably enough for me. Ooh, the skirts are going to be hard. I really like the skirts. Are there any skirts that I actively hate, though? I'm not doing very well on the skirts. Oh, the sparkly one. Do I want to get rid of that? Not sure. Definitely get rid of the sequins. I didn't do very well in the skirt section. Let's see about dresses. Where do I have 2 bathrobes? I never wear a bathrobe. Bathrobes? Ooh, I love this dress. Okay, I found 1 dress, which is fun and I love the color, but the truth is it's really just too short for me. I'll try it on again. And I found a couple one that needs to be repaired and a couple that need to be cleaned so I can wear them, but I didn't do very well in the dresses section either. We'll see if this one gets to live. Now I'm doing tops. Okay, I found a top. There we go. I really want to like this lovely linen top, but the truth is that it's either a little too small for me. It's not too small when I put it on, but I actually altered it a little smaller. I changed the darts, but now it's one of those things where it's like, I feel temporarily trapped when I try to get it on in a way that I'm pretty sure I'm going to suffocate and die in a shirt. And it's one of those moments that brings back being a kid and having your mom put a really thick sweater on you and just being completely sure that that's the moment that you're going to die in that sweater, probably with overalls on. That's how I feel when I try to put on this shirt. So I never wear it. But I want to be a person who loves to wear beautiful little linen things. I just don't ever actually wear this one. I think it needs to go to somebody who's not scared of putting it on and taking it off. Right, good, that's 1 down. Sort of on the fence about this one. I'll keep giving it some more thought. Ooh, I would happily, actively hate this one and get rid of it. Fine, this is from high school. I used to share it with my best friend and roommate. All right, this is probably my only piece of sentimental clothing, so I think I'm allowed to have 1. Here I have 2 almost identical J. Crew shirts. I kind of feel like I don't need both of these, and like I'm not sure which one to get rid of. There's some funky stuff going on with the shoulder, and it's a 3/4 length sleeve, so like it comes past my elbow, and then I have 2 of almost exactly the same top. Hey, I have a little pile. This is good. Okay, not a ton, but totally respectable. Good little pile of stuff that I don't need to have in my life anymore. Let's go ahead and okay, it's gonna get folded up Okay, so it looks even smaller when it's nicely folded, but those are all clothes that I don't need to have or ever do laundry for again, and that can be donated to somebody that does want to wear them. Now, it's pretty easy for me to get rid of a couple of items of clothing since I'm not a big clothes horse and I hate clothes shopping, so it doesn't seem to be much of a problem of me accumulating too much. There are other categories that would be really hard for me to do. Narrowing down houseplants or art supplies, almost impossible. Or not quite finished canvases. Oops. Just when I was feeling good about my little accomplishment, my kids' closet. Well, at least it will make for a good before and after. Don't pretend that you don't have a clothes chair. Look, is it a spot in the closet where you get dressed? Is it a pile on a shelf? Is it in your laundry room? Is it on a bench by your bed? Come on. Everybody has to have a laundry chair.